What's up, guys? We are out here today by the waterfall cooking up lunch. We're on a big fishing trip. Stay tuned for that video, but that's coming next. We're taking a little lunch break right now, and yeah, we're gonna cook up some steak, some corn, and we just caught like 8 or 9 fresh crawfish. Lyndon swears they're good. I've never eaten seafood like this before. I don't know if I'm gonna try it, but they're boiling right now, so I might have to give it a shot. But crawfish right out of the waterfall. We'll see. We'll show you what they look like.
I'm too ready to eat one. Like daring me to eat a delicacy. Why wouldn't you? Daring me to eat a delicacy. Yeah. Normally people don't have them, especially this fresh. This is like, what's the difference between catching a lobster out of the fucking ocean or catching one of these out of the streams? I'm gonna take a look. I can't even see it.
No way.
Yeah.
Fresh crawfish
Wait
right out.
See, like look at the. Where is that?
Oh, there he is. There's some. Oh my god.
See how he's turning bright red?
Yeah.
When you boil them, man, they all go bright red like that, and they're so good. They're fresh as fresh as you can get.
This is living.
I don't know what people want to do if you're not doing that. Not for me, that's for sure.
Whoa!
Hang on! Exactly. Oh my god, look at underneath them. Watch when I lift this up for you. Watch, look at them sizzling. It's literally crispy sizzle. They're bubbling.
The mark on those.
Oh, it's so good. I don't know why camping food like this is always the best, no matter what. 10 out of 10. Screw a barbecue, whatever. There's kids watching here. I'm telling you, this is gonna be so good.
That's low-key disgusting. Nice corn on the cob.
Oh, look at this
I was
sizzle.
gonna slap like your mama.
It's gonna hit so good. That'll bring you right up and at it.
It's gonna be a smack, not a slap.
It's a knockout, but. Those are coming good, Murph. I'll do yours a tiny bit more.
You have barbecue sauce on it?
I don't have any of that stuff now. Look at that.
Eat those.
Look at this one. Look at there's mine right there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give this beautiful one to Ferg. There's not gonna be a whole lot of meat. I usually just eat the tails. I don't suck the juice of the extra.
You're eating the whole tail?
You eat the whole tail, yeah. So
Oh.
it's like a mini lobster. You know, lobster, you crack the tail and you can get inside the claws. The claws there aren't that big, so you won't be able to split it open like a crab or a lobster. But yeah.
We'll see.
Never tasted white dog shit? Similar.
Look at that fucking sizzle. Oh little tiny bit there. Nice little flames here in that last layer. Look at that for you, my God.
Are there claws falling off on that one? It's the...
Oh,
That's a decent size one.
Yeah, that's not bad. Look at how red it is.
what's that?
Not moving.
One for Murph?
No,
One for me?
no.
Big one for Fergie.
No.
You guys are a bunch of big pussies.
I'll try it. I will.
Don't fucking eat up.
All right. Which one's whose?
That one.
You gotta eat a bug. I gotta see you eat a bug first. You gotta do it right now.
What?
Eat one.
Eat a mud
Eat
bug.
crawfish. For the camera. Wait, let me see it. Zoom in on it.
It's just, I always go like this.
Oh, that looks disgusting. I don't know if I'm gonna do that.
So good. There's not enough on these, like they're little babies, but I honestly haven't cracked these in a fucking long time. It's just whitefish. It's honestly like a crab. almost.
Nothing on it, dude.
No, there isn't. That's why I need a bunch normally.
Oh, yeah, there's a little something in there. I don't think I'm eating that.
Pussy. Not bad.
Oh, that corn looks good.
There.
Can you not eat the shell and everything?
I don't. I'm shitting out hard shell for the week. There. It's not bad. It's just whitefish. It's honestly not terrible.
All right, taste test time. A little bit of crawfish. Never done it.
It's like, it's not terrible. There's no really season on it, but it's not.
It's not that bad.
No, it's just white. It's like it's a white fish.
It's really not bad at all.
Down there.
Good spot for you.